Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Wells Fargo Bank to Venmo. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to use their Wells Fargo Bank funds to fund Venmo transactions. How do you actually go ahead and connect both of them together? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what we're first going to do is that you're going to open up Venmo. And then next on this page here, you want to click on the Me tab on the bottom right hand corner. Next, click on Add Money, and then click on From Bank or Debit Card. Now in this page here, you want to click on Select Debit Card or Bank, and then click on Add a Bank or Debit Card. Then click on Bank. So here you're just going to get a notification that it's going to use Plaid to verify your bank account info. Click on Next, and then from here, click on Continue. Plaid is just going to connect your account, and then here you can just continue as guest or use your phone number. I choose Continue as guest, and then click on Wells Fargo. Now it's going to give you a notification that after logging into your Wells Fargo bank account, you want to make sure that your checkings account box is checked marked. So click on Continue to log in, and then it's automatically going to redirect you to Wells Fargo. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect Wells Fargo Bank to Venmo. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.